Good morning. Okay, so I want to show you the quickest way to make money in woodworking when you're building custom stuff. I had a customer that I met with the other day, and I've done work for them before. Great people, and they want a vanity built. So I said, "Yeah, sure." And so what I want to do is I want to include this in with the rest of the project that I'm working. I'm building a kitchen now. And what I'm saying is it's the quickest and easiest way to make money because you can double up on the job you're already doing. So I quickly sketched out their idea of their vanity when I was there. And it's very simple. They got 5 drawers on this side, a sink and 2 doors below. There's a finished end panel with a decorative base there and a filler on this side here. 47 inches wide. So it's very simple. So when I got back to the shop, I go, okay, I've got all the other stuff ready for this other job except for certain parts. So I had the edge bander already going when I was making some additional parts for this job here. So I quickly cut out the cabinet and got it prepped. So it's been edge banded and ready to be trimmed. And so I'm going to be doing that. But the biggest thing is I've got drawers to make. I've got assembly to do. I've got doors to make and finishing. So there's a bunch of things that I have to get done that I can include in with the rest. So if I had to start and stop this thing right from the beginning, it's not worth building a vanity because you can only get so much money for a vanity. But when you can include it in with another job, I can probably save myself probably 4 hours just in the efficiency of doubling up. So that's what I'm saying is, like even the simplest things of making decorative baseboard. So I have to make a finished decorative end panel, and I want to put this base on there. But if I had to mill this piece, put the bevel on it, assemble it, sand it, and then spray it, you can see how much time that takes in the setup. And then even in the spray booth, when you're setting up for paint, it's a different color than the rest of it, but as far as the priming, the sanding, the cleanup, and all that other stuff, I don't have to do that because I'm rotating it through this job. So 4 hours saved. Figure out what your hourly rate is on in your shop, and I'll give you an idea of how much money that you just make from pushing a job through at the same time. So this is one of the things when I'm doing, sometimes it may take you a couple of extra hours in a week, but it'll make you some additional money. And that's always good in a small shop like mine to just do a small thing like that to make a little bit extra money. All right, give her a go, man.